Hey guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. Today we're making instant pot carnitas. They are ready at fraction of the time, and we will also make quick pickled onions to go on top while they're cooking. Let's do it. So we're going to start with 3 to 4 pound pork roast. And it's best to use butt or pork shoulder roast, but my store was out. So I'm using tenderloin roast, and it has a bone in. Place a trivet or basket inside your Instant Pot. Then you want to pour liquids over it, and the fat part should go up. So here I have half a cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of lime juice, and a can of beer. Then 4 freshly grated garlic cloves. You want to rub all over the roast. And then we have spices, which are chili powder, oregano, cumin, salt, and a lot of pepper. Then place 1 large onion quartered on top, and also the citrus skins if they fit. Now you're ready to cook it and put the lid on. And here I have Instant Pot locks, and I line up the chubby part with the chubby part at the back. Close the lid, make sure the valve is to ceiling, and we're going to pressure cook it on high pressure for 1 hour. On Instant Pot locks, it is manual button and it cooks only on high pressure. If you have Instant Pot Duo, you will have pressure cook button, and make sure the pressure is selected to high. Please note there is no start button. The display will say on, and Instant Pot will take about 15 to 20 minutes to come to pressure, and only then the countdown from 1 hour will begin. While pork roast is cooking, we're going to make super easy, quick pickled onions. They're optional, but they're absolutely delicious because they're sour and they go amazing with sweet pork. So all there is to it is about half a cup thinly sliced red onion, 1 small bunch of cilantro, and I even chopped the stems because they're so good for you, half a cup of cold water, and 1/4 cup of white wine, white or apple cider vinegar. And actually I decided to add a pinch of pepper and salt to help to soften the onion. Combine everything in a bowl and let it marinate in the fridge while pork is cooking. That's it, easy peasy. So after 1 hour, you can do quick release or let Instant Pot come down on its own. Remove the beautiful roast on a baking sheet or cutting board and shred using 2 forks or meat claws. Then pour 1 cup of juices on top and broil for about 5 to 10 minutes or until crispy. Onion. Delicious, messy disaster that's so worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below, and see you next time. Bye!